Hello everybody, today we are going to look at ARGS and KWARGS, passing multiple arguments in our program. So I'm going to start off with creating a function called myUnlimited ARGS or arguments. Okay, so we go here, asterisk ARGS. Okay, so that will allow us to pass unlimited arguments into there. So we're going to print args here. Okay, we're going to go down and create a function, define myUnlimited KWARGS, keyword arguments here. Keyword arguments these are. So again, asterisks and KWARGS. Okay, so print KWARGS and we're going to create function here called explanation. Okay, where we're going to explain this. So define explanation. And explanation there. Okay, I'm going to print a message to our user. Okay, and create a new line. Printed out multiple numerical arguments. Okay, the next one, print, let's have a look, printed out multiple keyword arguments. Okay, right, now we're just going to call these two functions. So myUnlimited ARGS. Okay, I'm going to pass some numerical arguments into here. So 9, 1, 7, let's say 3, 5, 2, last one, let's go for 9. Okay, and the next one is going to be myUnlimited KWARGS, keyword arguments. And we're going to pass some keyword arguments into here, like Dave, Dave, Joe, Sid, Bill. Okay, now all we're going to do is we're just going to save this and we're just going to run the program. So here we go. There we go, just expand that out a little bit more. So the first one, printed out multiple numerical arguments, which is here. Sorry about the spelling there, a bit of a mistake. Okay, the next one, printed out multiple keyword arguments, and here are the keyword arguments, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.